welcome you to the Violet Flame meditation, and I kindly ask you to find a place where you won't be disturbed and sit comfortable in a straight chair with your spine and head erected. Legs and arms are uncrossed and feet flat on the floor. You can also sit in the easy locus position, whatever feels the best for you. Rest your hands on your upper legs with palms facing upwards. We will invoke the violet flame in a way that we call upon the violet flame and Saint Germain to help us during the meditation to transmute and transcend and transform everything that is not of God's desire into our highest and best. I kindly ask you to switch off any mobile phone or telephone so that you will be sitting relaxed in this beautiful space of the violet flame, and you can use this meditation in the morning or especially in the evening before you go to bed. Are you ready? And you're sitting in a comfortable seat or space. We will start now. Close your eyes and know that you're totally safe in this space, and in this time we are doing the violet flame meditation. Take a few slow and deep breaths and center yourself into your heart. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly and gently also through your nose. Inhale and exhale. Let go of the daily process and thought forms coming in. Let them go. Inhale another time and exhale through your nose. You feel and give yourself the permission to let go, to be in the here and now in your heart, a beautiful and safe, comforting place to be. Inhale and exhale. Beloved presence of God, we hereby ask and humbly pray with all our hearts and soul and mind, and invoke with your help the violet flame and Saint Germain and the keeper of the violet flame. We continue to repeat the following invocation now. For the beginning, you can start by repeating it for 3 or 9 times and gradually increasing this mantra to up to 36 times, 72 or even more. I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity of God desires. I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity God desires. I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity God desires. I am the being of violet fire. I am the purity of God desires. I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity of God desires. I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity of God desires. Inhale and exhale. And last time. I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity of God desires. Feel the vibration all around you and know, even if you may not see this fire, this flame, that it still exists and transmute and transform everything that is not of God's desire. Breathe in and out in your own natural way. In and out. And sink even deeper into this beautiful space where we being held by Mother Earth and by God. We are truly and fully protected. Feel the energy all around you. See or imagine now the violet flame opening up in front of you. And remember, this flame is not burning or very hot. It's more the opposite, very soothing and calming, but with the intention to transform and transmute everything and anything you don't need anymore. And with this intention you can set up, before you start this meditation, that you want to let go. That maybe some fight or conflicts, anger, frustrations, worries or sorrow, grief, or some aspects of financial lack, money issues, or the missing of a romantic relationship, whatever it is, let it go into the violet flame. And put it in there and see how this beautiful violet flame is eating up all the negativity. And this will increase your light and will remember you who you truly are. You can work with this flame every night and just give up the sorrow and the worries that doesn't help to build your confidence and your self-esteem and your joy. Inhale and exhale and further let go of any thought forms that keep you busy in creating emotions that does not serve you best. Inhale and exhale. See, imagine and feel how this beautiful flame, the violet flame, is surrounding you. We also invoke Saint Germain, keeper of the violet flame. Come in and transform and transmute everything that is not in God's desire. Everything within, without, above, below, in front, in the back, to the right side, to the left side. Transform in violet fire any ties, any cords not of God's desire. Transmute in violet fire any ties, any cords not of God's desire. And release in violet fire any ties, any cords not of God's desire. Feel the energy running through your whole body, your auric field, and through your chakras, cleansing and clearing away heavy energy, negative energy, the lower frequencies that does not serve your best. Inhale. Imagine with every inhale you do, you inhale this pure violet flame into your body, and it goes to your blood body, your physical body, but also to your finer subtle bodies, the etheric body, the emotional body, the mental body, and it goes as deep into your cellular system, your atoms, and molecules. And every space where we hold negativity, in negative programming that create negative thought forms, and this causing us to suffer from maybe depressions of fear, scarcity, anger, frustration, we can let it go. And with every exhale, we release the pain and the suffering into this violet flame that has been given to us by God Himself for our purity, to cleanse and clear everything and anything that does not serve our best. Inhale and exhale deeply. And feel the energy. Maybe you can see the violet flame, the violet light, entering your crown chakra and flowing down into your root chakra, and then lifting you up in a higher frequency, feeling lighter and cleansed and refreshed. And it all works, if you believe or not believe. Just see, while you practice this meditation over time, that things will start to change. Inhale and exhale and become what you are, your true self. And I am a being of violet fire. I am the purity of God desires. Feel the vibration, feel the energy surrounding you, all around, above and below, to your right and to your left, and from the left to the right, in front and in the back, and everything that goes back far, far beyond, back to your childhood, back in past lives, parallel lives, future lives. Everything in the here and now, in the past and in the future that does not serve the best of our true beingness will be transformed, transmuted and released into this beautiful violet fire by the angel of the violet fire and by the help of Saint Germain. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, I invoke your sweet name, keeper of the violet flame. Take any psychic debris that the angels of the violet fire are bringing to thee, and any ties that are not in God's desire, that are in, through, round about, above, below, within, without, and transform in violet fire any ties, any cords not of God's desire. Transmute in violet fire any ties and any cords not of God's desire. Release in violet fire any ties, any cords not of God's desire. Keep going, breathing in and out, and feel the violet flame running through your body. You may feel a tingling on your skin, on your neck or forehead, on your solar plexus, abdominal, down to your feet, in the back, in the front, and know that everything is transformed to something better. Everything that holds us in a place or space of fear are transformed into love and the knowingness that we are guided by our higher self or God Himself. And we change frustration to hope. And we receive love instead of hate. And joy comes back instead of sadness. Remember to replace whatever has been gone or cut free and transformed from the negative aspect, to replace it to something better that truly serves our heart and soul and gives us peace and love and joy. It is easily done, and dwell in this beautiful light given by God. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And allow the process to continue as long as you wish. And after you have finished decreeing or invoking the violet flame during the time of meditation, you can ask, in the name of the Christ within me, I ask that this violet flame be multiplied and used to assist all souls on this planet who are in need. I thank you and accept it's done, according to God's will. So it be and so it is. Feel how the violet flame and the angel of the violet flame in Saint Germain are resolving and dissolving, and how the beautiful violet flame is moving out of your body and your space and disappearing. Be grateful and send a thank you to all beings, the violet flame and Saint Germain, who have taken part in this meditation and healing, who have assisted us, that they have helped us. Become now aware of your place. Feel your body sitting in a chair or in the place you descended down to meditate. Inhale deeply and exhale. Deeply become more aware of the here and now. Close your hands and make them to a fist and open them again. Move your fingers, your hands. Move your shoulders slightly and comfortably to come more and more back into your body. Inhale again and exhale. Become more and more aware of your body. Feel your legs and your feet. Move your feet. Inhale another time and exhale. Come back completely into the here and now. And in your own time, open your eyes. And be back in the here and now. If you wish, have a glass of water, of pure water, which helps you during this time now of processing things in a finer, subtle bodies. And remember that the violet flame is a very powerful instrument we have received by the reality of God, helping us to remember who we really are. And it's very powerful. So if you, for example, like to use the violet flame before falling asleep for a particular issue or problem you have, do so. It really works during the night. While your mind and ego is asleep, you do the work in assistance of the violet flame, Saint Germain, and the angel of the violet fire. Continue for at least 21 days and onwards, every time you need it, in a place, home, situation, or for particular feelings you want to transform into something positive that truly serves you best, without sabotaging you anymore. It will help, trust me, it's very powerful. And practice in the morning or in the evening. And with this I wish you a beautiful day or beautiful night with the observant, with the protection of God and the angels, particularly now the Ascended Master of Saint Germain and the angel of the violet fire. All my love.